Jai Srimanarayana. 36th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sthane Hrishikesa Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prahrishyati Anurajyate cha Rakshamsi bhitani Diso dravanti Sarve namasyanti cha Siddha sanghaha. Om. Ask yourself that when all the devatas, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Kinnaras, Kimpurushas, Vidyadharas, all the categories of devatas are admiring Sri Krishna Paramatma's greatness, praising Sri Krishna Paramatma's unmatched compassion, feeling devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, realizing that Krishna Paramatma is their originator. Why am I not doing all this? Keep asking this question to yourself every day. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep asking myself that why I am not feeling devotion towards you. Why am I not praising your unmatched compassion? Why am I not admiring your greatness when all the categories of devatas are devoting themselves to you, realizing that you are the originator of all this entire universe, entire creation? O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep asking myself every day until I feel that I am completely the property and belonging of yours. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 188th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopalakas entered into the mouth of Python. And Devadeva Sri Krishna Paramatma noticed their ignorance, their innocence, and feeling very graceful on them. And also Krishna Paramatma is there in everyone's heart. That is why he is able to understand how much they are relying on him. They have faith on him. So he felt that Gopalakas are my people. I have to protect them. Krishna Paramatma decided that. But here, the python did not swallow all these Gopalakas yet. The python is waiting for Krishna because Krishna did not enter yet. Pratikshamanena bakari vesanam. Python is waiting to have Krishna come inside. But Krishna is thinking about Gopalakas. Tanvikshya Krishnaha sakala abhayapradaha ananyanadhan arbhakulella పాముదివిజాంత కుడు ఔటన్ ఎరుంగరు అకట నిర్భయులై నేకలనంచును ఘోర సర్పఘనతుండ బలాంతము చొచ్చిరందరున్. These Gopalakas did not recognize that this snake is not an ordinary snake, but he is such a dreadful Rakshasa Aghasura. They don't know that. Only that with the great faith on me, great belief on me, they all entered into that python's mouth. Now it is my duty to protect all of them. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma is now thinking. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 36th sloka. Sthane Hrishikesha Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prauhrushyatyanurajyate cha Rakshamsi Bhitani Disho Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti cha Siddha Sanghaha. Sthane Hrishikesha Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prauhrushyatyanurajyate cha Rakshamsi Bhitani Disho Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti cha Siddha Sanghaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.